Welcome to Amit Things. We will learn how to install PHP Composer on Windows 11. So for that, in the first step, we will install the current PHP version and then we will install the current Composer version. So let us start with the first step. Let us install the current PHP version on Windows 11. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type PHP and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website php.net. Click the downloads button. The current version is visible, that is 8.4.13. Go below. After reaching below, you will see the non-thread safe as well as the thread safe version. Okay, we want the thread safe, so I'll click the following. Zip file, it's only 32 MB. Click on it to download. The download started, let's wait. The download completed. Right click and click show in folder. Here it is. Let us extract it. Right click. To extract, click extract all on Windows 11. Here click extract. Now the following is our file. Okay, I'll close this. So this is the folder which we extracted. I'll right click and click rename. So I'll just set it to PHP 8.4.13. Now I'll copy this. Go to C drive, program files. Now here right click and click paste. Click continue. Now we have pasted PHP 8.4.13. Click on it. Okay, now let us copy this. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables. Click here. Click open. Under advanced tab, click environment variables. Now under system variables, go to the path and double click. Here paste the same path. Click new. Right click and paste the same path. Okay, that's it. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. We have installed PHP. Let us verify and run our first program. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Here type php-v and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed PHP. So guys, we successfully installed the current PHP version. Now let us install Composer. Go to the web browser. Here type Composer and press enter. The official website is visible, getcomposer.org. Click on it. Here the current version is visible. Okay, you can directly click the download button. Now here is the Windows installer. I'll click here composer-setup.exe. It is downloading. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file of Composer. So right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. I'll click install for all users. Click next. We just installed PHP. So it automatically took the PHP path which we just installed. So this was our PHP folder and this is the php.exe file. It automatically took the same file. Click next. Proxy settings are visible. Keep it as it is. Click next. Ready to install. Now click the install button. Now Composer will get installed. The installation is complete. Click next. Now click finish. We have installed Composer. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Here type Composer and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed the current Composer version. For a free PHP tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.